number 2. A particle of mass m is projected at an angle of alpha to the horizontal with the initial velocity u. The work done by the gravity during the time it reaches its highest point is. Let me highlight the question. Right. So we are throwing with the angle of alpha and with the initial velocity. Initial velocity is u, and we have to find work done by the gravity. We need to calculate a work done by the gravity during when it reaches to the highest point, right? So the diagram seems like this. We are throwing with this with the velocity of u, and that was the maximum height with the angle of alpha. Then we have to find the work done due to gravity during reaches its maximum height. So that is what we have to calculate. You know that when it reaches to maximum height in a projectile, it will have a velocity of u cos alpha, right? So that will have a velocity of u cos alpha. Therefore we are just throwing with the initial velocity u, and the final velocity will be equal to u cos alpha. You could clearly see that here there is only one force doing the work, which is nothing but gravity. So gravity చేసిన వర్క్ అంతా కూడా ఏమైంది అంటే చేంజ్ ఇన్ కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ అయ్యేది. దట్ ఈస్ అకార్డింగ్ టు ద వెట్ ఆర్ వర్క్ ఎనర్జీ థియరం. Therefore I am using this work energy theorem here to solve this problem. So like simple logic. Right. So the logic number 1. The logic number 1 is work done by all the forces. Work done by all the forces will be equal to change in kinetic energy, right? So here the force which are doing the work are only gravity. Therefore work done by this gravity will be equal to change in kinetic energy. Change in kinetic energy can be written as what? Ke final minus Ke initial, right? So work done by the gravity is equal to Ke final can be written as half into m. So final kinetic energy can be written as u cos alpha whole square, right? Minus initial can be written as half into this can be written as m u square, right? Therefore if I take this half m out, I can write as u square cos square alpha minus I can write what? I can write as a u square, right? Even I can take this u square also out. If I take u square out, I can write half m u square, which is cos square alpha minus 1. So cos square alpha minus 1 can be written as a minus sin square alpha. So minus half into m into u square sin square alpha. That is a work done due to the gravity when it is during the time when it is reaches to this maximum height, right? That was answer. This was answer. Clear? Hope you understood. Right.